Guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the first week of this ad cycle and we have some good deals going on. Make sure you scan the items on your app to see what coupons or CRTs you have to make the deals better. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have in this video will be on the Pampers diapers and wipes, and I have two options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Pampers diapers on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2 you get $5 back. Pick up 2 priced at $14.79 each. With the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $7.40. The two will total $22.19. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $19.19, get $5 back, making them $14.19 or $7.10 each. And the second option I have is to pick up 2 Pampers wipes on sale for $7.99. The two will total $15.98. Check your app. We have a 2 off 2 coupon that will drop it down to $13.98 and you get $5 back, making them $8.98 or $4.49 each. Next deal I have is on 500 ml scope mouthwash. They on sale for $3.97 and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 4 because this deal is a limit of 2. The 4 mouthwashes will total $15.88. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that is applying to the scope mouthwash, the Oral-B toothbrush or the Crest toothpaste. For the 4th mouthwash, use the $1 off scope digital coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $9.88, get $8 back because you're doing this deal twice, making them just $1.88 or 47 cents each. Or you can pick up 1 scope mouthwash and 1 Crest toothpaste. Both are on sale for $3.97. The two will total $7.94. Use a $1 digital coupon for the scope and a $1 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste. The 2 coupons will take off $2 and you pay $6.94, get 4 back, making them $2.94 or $1.47 each. If you need some Pop-Tarts, they are on sale for $1.99 each. General meal cereals are on sale for $2.49, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 for a total of $4.98. Use a $1 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $3.98. Then you submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each. That means you get back $1 from Ibotta, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. My next deal is buy one get $1 back on Kind breakfast protein bars. That's the 6 packs. Pick up 1. They're on sale for $4.99. Pay $4.99 and get $1 back, making it just $3.99. Dunkin' coffee or K-Cups are on sale for $7.99 and when you buy 1, you get $1 back. Pick up 1, pay $7.99 and get $1 back, making it just $6.99. It's a very good deal on Neutrogena cosmetics this week. They're on the deal of spend 12, get 7 back. Pick up 1 Neutrogena Lip Shine priced at $11.99. And this is within the 98% rule for spend 12. Some stores do not follow the 98% rule, so if you're doing this deal, make sure your store follows it. That way you get your extra care box back. We have a $4 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.99. Pay that and get 7 back, making it just 99 cents. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 on any CoverGirl cosmetics. Pick up 2 CoverGirl brow and eye maker eyeliner priced at $6.29 each. Both will total $12.58. Check your app for a $4 coupon and another $2 coupon for CoverGirl Eye. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $6.58, get 6 back, making them 58 cents or 29 cents each. The next cosmetics deal is buy 2 get $5 back on any Maybelline cosmetics. Pick up 2 Maybelline baby lips priced at $5.29 each. Both will total $10.58. Use the $4 off Maybelline Extra Care coupon and you pay $6.58, get 5 back, making them just $1.58 or 79 cents each. This week, Garnier Facial Care is on buy 2 get $8 back. Pick up 2 blackhead eliminating scrub priced at $9.29 each, and both will total $18.58. If you still have your $3 digital coupon, it will work with this deal, and it will drop it down to $15.58 and you get 8 back, making them $7.58 or $3.79 each. Gillette Shave Foam are on sale for buy one get one half off and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up two priced at $3.89, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1.95. The two will total $5.84. Pay the $5.84 and get 4 back, making them $1.84 or 92 cents each. My next deal is spend 20 get $10 back on Nivea hand and body lotion, facial care, body wash or men's shave products. Pick up two Nivea body lotions priced at $10.29. Use the $2 digital coupon and you pay $18.58. Get $10 back, making them $8.58 or $4.29 each. Another way you can do this deal is to pick up two Nivea women body wash priced at $6.99 and one Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99. These three body washes will total $19.97, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Make sure your store follows it, that way you get your $10 back. Pay the $19.97 and get 10 back, making them $9.97 or $3.32 each. My next deal is buy two get $4 back on soft soap or Irish Spring body wash, and I have two options for this deal. The first one is to pick up two soft soap body wash priced at $6.59 each, and both will total $13.18. Use the $3.50 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $9.68. Get 4 back, making them $5.68 or $2.84 each. And the second option I have is to pick up two Irish Spring body wash priced at $7.49 each. These two will total $14.98. Use the $3.50 off 2 digital coupon and you will pay $11.48, get 4 back, making them $7.48 or $3.74 each. My next deal is on the 3-pack Dial body soap. They are on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and they are part of buy two get $3 back. Pick up two priced at $4.99, and with the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $2.99. The two will total $7.98. Pay that and get 3 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. My next deal is not giving back any extra care box, and it's on the 20-ounce Olay Premium Body Wash on sale for $9.99. Pick up two for a total of $19.98. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $14.99, and that will make each body wash just $7.49. Last week we had an Ibotta offer that is giving back $5 when you buy two, but the offer went away. If you do this deal, keep checking Ibotta. If they bring the offer back, that will end up making them just $9.98 or $4.99 each. My next deal is buy two get $5 back on any TRESemmé hair care. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner priced at $7.99 each, and both will total $15.98. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.98, get 5 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. My next hair care deal is on Head and Shoulders, and they're on sale for $6.94, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two for a total of $12.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $9.98. Get 3 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. My next deal is buy two get 4 back on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner 12.6 ounce. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner priced at $5.99 each, and both will total $11.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $8.98. Get $4 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The first Pantene deal I have in this video is on the 16 to 27.7 ounce Pantene shampoo or conditioner, and they are on sale 2 for $11.90. Pick up two, use the 2 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $9.90. Get 3 back, making them $6.90 or $3.45 each. The 10.4 to 12.6 ounce Pantene shampoo and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two, use the 2 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $8, get 3 back, making them $5 or $2.50 each. There is no spend 30 get $10 back this week, but we have a spend 25 get $5 back. Pick up the Tide Pod on sale for $13.49. and 2 Dawn dish liquid on sale for $5.99 each. These 3 items will total $25.47. Use a $3 off Tide digital coupon and a 4 off 2 Dawn digital coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $7 and you pay $18.47. Get 5 back, making them $13.47 or $4.49 each. The second option I have for the spend 25 get 5 bag is to pick up one Tide detergent on sale for $14.99 and one 6 mega roll charming on sale for $9.99. The two items will total $24.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 25. Make sure your store follows it, that way you get your $5 back. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin. The two coupons will take off $4 and you pay $20.98, get $5 back, making them $15.98 or $7.99 each. My next deal is not giving back any extra care box, and it's on the Finish Powerball Jet Dry Rinse or the Ultimate Tabs 11 count. They are on sale for $4.99. Use the $1 off digital coupon and that will make it just $3.99. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time.